Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekumkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naZeni Mahlonze kusihlwa nje.
We feel already a great sense of peace and freedom. Like we see the children running around. They was waiting for the army. We heard that the army is going to come in, and today it finally happened.
Kushaqwe idakamizwa nesamba semali esingadalulwanga ngosuku lokuqala lokubambisana kwamalungu ombutho wezokuvikela namaphoyisa ngaphansi kwe-Operation Prosper eGqeberha e-Eastern Cape.
Coincidentally, I'm told the baby we lost is the one who was the strongest after the operation. The one who has survived was the one who was the weakest.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela uAaron Mtswaledi ubehambele esibhedlela saseMankweni eLimpopo kulandela ukwenda kwelinye lamawele ahlinzwa ukuze ahlukaniswe ngemva kokuzalwa ehlangene nesifuba.
We found that there were 20 adults, male and female, that did not have any kind of documents that are relevant to allow them to be in South Africa.
Bekuphithizela namhlanje emgwaqeni engothela wayeka nasezikhumulweni zamatekisi kanye namabhasi njengoba inkulungwane ezabantu bezilibhekisa endaweni ezehlukene kuyochitha impelasonto yephasika. Nabenkombankombane yakho nje uZulu ngomhlambo wenkomo libumbene lomkhothi ihora uza kwethu sitolekela ngolimi lwempawu uFortune wakwaMadlala amhlale kuzona uthonto nazi indaba. Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela uAaron Mtswaledi ubehambele esibhedlela saseMankweni eLimpopo kulandela ukwenda kwelinye lamawele ahlinzwa ukuze ahlukaniswe ngemva kokuzalwa ehlangene ngesifuba.
Wezempilo uthe usashaqekile ngokwenda kwewele emva kokuhlinzwa kwawo ngempumelelo emasontweni ambalwa edlule nokwadonsa amahora ayisishiyagalombili. Amawele ayezelwe ehlangene ngesifuba nokuyilapho odokotela baba sebeqhamuka nesu lokuthi ahlinzwe ukuze ahlukane. Ungqongqoshe omnyango wezempilo uDokotela Aaron Mtswaledi uthi okuzwisa kakhulu ubuhlungu ukuthi iwele lendile yilona ebelibonakala liza kahle ngokwesimo sempilo.
Life is not in our hands. I can't say to make sure that nothing happens to this baby. It's God who knows. In fact, because coincidentally, I'm told the baby we lost is the one who was the strongest after the operation. The one who has survived was the one who was the weakest. These things happen because no matter how much we know, life in the final analysis is in the hands of God, not in the hands of human beings.
uDokotela Mtswaledi uthi bazoxoxisana nabazali bezingane ukuze bakwazi ukwenza uhlelo lokuhlinza isidumbu ngenhloso yokuthola imbangela yokwenda kwewele.
We encourage postmortems under these conditions. Remember, postmortems are only done under two conditions. If the death is not natural, like an accident, step wound, a gunshot wound, a postmortem is mandatory. In other words, it's the law. But for the other cases like this, we have got to speak to the parents and explain to them that we want to find out what happened.
Cyril Ramaphosa wabanga omunye wabantu abahalalisela odokotela bakulesi sibhedlela ngokuhlinzwa kwalamawele esibhedlela sikahulumeni esisendaweni esemakhaya.
Amaphoyisa namalungu ombutho wezokuvikela bashaqe idakamizwa zohlobo lweMandrex nomsunzo wenkukhu kanye nesamba semali esingadalulwanga osukwini lokuqala elwa nobugebengu eGqeberha esifundazweni iEastern Cape.
Kuthunyelwe amajoni asondele kumakhulu amathathu eMpuma Koloni ngenjongo yokulwa ulwaphulomthetho olucwangcisiweyo. Eliphulo liqale ngentsasa namhlanje nalapho amajoni kunye namapolisa engene kummandla weNorthern Areas eGqeberha. Kubanjwe abarhanelwa ababini, omnye ufunyenwe neMandrex nentsango, lo gama wesibini efunyenwe nesixa semali esikwimvumbusi. Abahlali bakwi-Northern Areas bayalomkela olungenelelo.
We feel already a great sense of peace and freedom. Like we see the children running around. They was waiting for the army. We heard that the army is going to come in, and today it finally happened. And I think already we feel that kind of freedom, and that's good enough, most especially over the Easter weekend and when the crime rises from time to time in the year. But we're happy to have the SANDF here, and tonight we're going to be all outside braaiing because other times we couldn't do that.
Amapolisa ephondweni athi ukuziswa kwamajoni kuza kuba luncedo ekulweni ulwaphulomthetho.
We want to stem the authority of the state. We want the people of the areas where gangs have been alive for a long time to live in peace. And we want to regain the confidence and the trust of the communities.
Abanye babahlali bezinginqi nabangafunanga ukuvela ngenxa yokoyika ukuxhaphazwa bathi ungenelelo lwamajoni alonelanga ukusombulula ingxaki zasekuhlaleni. Bathi urhulumente makaze neenkqubo zokulwa indlala nentswela-ngqesho. Eli phulo liza kuya nakwezinye iidolophu eziphantsi kwesithili iSarah Baartman. Ndingulubabalo Dada kwiindaba ze-SABC eGqeberha.
Kusenjalo amalungu ombutho wezokuvikela bengena umuzi nomuzi eDelft eCape Flats njengoba kuusuku lwesithathu lokubambisana kwawo namaphoyisa endaweni yehaqo ubugebengu esifundazweni iWestern Cape.
Usamangelo umphakathi waseDelft njengoba umbutho wezokuvikela ogasele kule ndawo bambisene namaphoyisa lokhu njengoba kuusuku lwesithathu lohlelo lokubuyisa uzinzo ezindaweni ezikhungethe ubugebengu. Isakhamuzi kule ndawo sithi siyaqala ngqa ukubona amaphoyisa angaka kule ndawo.
For me, it's just a surprise because we don't see the army police like this here. Especially now, I'm just honest to say that nothing is actually happening now. For all of us, it's a surprise. Because when things happen, because here lots of lives was taken already, gunshot things, people who die here on the roads, and there was no police, no army.
Kanti omunye ezakhamuzi uthi akumnandi neze ukuphila ngokwesaba ngenxa yamaqembu ezigelekeqe abamba inkunzi ilanga libalele.
This is a danger zone, you know, for us, for our children, you know, and living in fear like this every day, it's really, it's hard. So, you know, our children have to go to school, people have to go to work, but being robbed and being in fear every day of gangsters.
Omunye uthi washonelwe indodana yakhe kuyo le ndawo.
I'm very glad, man, since the police and the soldiers are here. I'm very worried because my son died 2024 in here by a gangster. So if they come that side, I will get. But I'm glad even now because they are going to protect us.
Lo mkhankaso okugaselwa kwamasosha uzoqhubeka impela sonto yonke.
Obomkhulu umthamo wemoto emgwaqeni ngothela wayekezweni namhlanje kanti iphathimandla zomgwaqo zifonqa isiqhoko inxusa abashayeli ukuthi baqaphele emgwaqeni ukuze kugwenywe ingozi ngalesikhathi sephasika.
Ebhasini okutholakala kulabantu abangama32 baseZimbabwe abangenazi incwadi ebagunyaza ukuba babe kuleli abayi12 kubo bekuyizingane ezincane. Abadala abangama20 babese beboshwa izingane zabekwendaweni ephephile. Leli bhasi belibheke eKapa ngenkathi livinjwe eBloemfontein. Obhekeleza ukuphepha eFree State uthi lezi ingane bezisebungozini.
Some of these children, their parents are alleged to be in Cape Town. Now, people that collected these children have passports, but where and how did they collect children that did not have any form of identification is a serious cause for concern.
Inhloko yomnyango wezokuthutha esifundazweni iLimpopo inxuse abasebenzisa umgwaqo kuba babe nesineke emgwaqeni ukuze kugwemeke ingozi nokudlula emhlabeni kwabantu kulama holiday ePasika.
What we're seeing is that driver behavior becomes a challenge. Reckless driving starts to get things mixed up, especially with drivers that are innocent, they're following the rules. But when you have that particular one driver who's just changing lanes, driving recklessly, that's where we have problems.
Nasesifundazweni iGauteng basaqaphe ngawo khoza bomthetho njengoba befuna ukuqinisekisa ukuthi abashayeli bayayilandela imithetho. Esifundazweni iMpumalanga zizwakalise ukuneliseka iphathimandla ngesimo semgwaqo kanti bekungakabi kwangozi. Senjalo libebaningi abantu ababheke endaweni ezehlukene eThekwini esikhumulweni samatekisi YMCA.
Iphini likamongameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uthi bavula izandla kubambisana nanoma yiliphi iqembu lezombusazwe okhulumeni wobumbano. Ukhulume eceleni nabezindaba ngesikhathi ehambela inkonzo yephasika beqhubeka enkundleni yezemidlalo iEllis Park eGoli.
uMashatile obehambele inkonzo yephasika yebandla iUniversal Church of the Kingdom of God ube esekhuluma eceleni nabezindaba ngezithinta ukubuswa kwezwe. Uthe iANC izosebenzana noma yiliphi iqembu lezombusazwe linentshisekelo yokuba ingxenye yohulumeni wobumbano.
We will work with all parties that are committed to serve South Africa and we will not discriminate. So if they engage us about other areas, we will look into that. But as you know, in KwaZulu-Natal, they've got their own coalition as we speak, which is the IFP, the ANC, and others. But we are okay that in Gauteng, they've been able to find one another with the EFF, and we support them.
Ukhulume nangohlelo lukahulumeni eqinisweni kubudlelwane nohlaka lwamabandla ezenkolo.
This is something we're going to continue to do all the time, to continue to work with churches in our communities. They provide moral leadership and work with us because there are a lot of challenges that we face as a country, and therefore we do need this partnership to work with our churches to ensure that we address these challenges.
Uphinde wagcizelela kakhulu ukubambisana ngokwezombusazwe ngokunjalo nasezinhlakeni zikahulumeni.
Mbukele sathi kweyitolo siyabuya nezinye indaba unganyakazi. Asikubingele sikwamukele mbukeli ngobusanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi kushaqwe idakamizwa nesamba semali singadalulwanga ngosuku lokuqala lokubambisana kwamalungu ombutho wezokuvikela namaphoyisa ngaphansi kwe-Operation Prosper eGqeberha e-Eastern Cape. Asikhumbuze mbukeli ukuthi lezi ndaba zatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Wena okubele ukwenze ngena kuzo icinga amagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola ngokujalo bazo. Amaqembu ezombusazwe ePhalamende edlulisa imiyalezo yephasika kuwo wonke amakholwa kulelizwe aphinda anxenxa ukuthi abantu bashayele ngokucophelela emigwaqeni.
Invites all of us to live out these values in our daily lives, to show compassion to one another, to strengthen our communities, and to remain hopeful even in the challenging times. It is a time that encourages unity, a reflection and spiritual renewal across our nation.
At this Easter, reconnect with those around you. Friends.
Take care on the road, drive. If you're a pedestrian, you're wearing clearly.
He calls on all communities to ensure that period peace and harmony.
A reminder that from sacrifice comes strength and from hardships comes victory. Let us Easter ignite hope in our hearts and courage in our communities.
Umgcojwa oyisishoshovu sasilwisana nobandlululo uDokotela uAlan Bosak ukhale ngenkohlakalo athi kubuzela uhulumeni negcina iba nomthelelo ongemuhle kulabo abahlwempu obekhuluma enkonzweni yephasika beqhubeka eThekwini. Utshela abazalwane bebethamela inkonzo ukuthi kufanele labo basemandleni kuhulumeni bahole ngendlela enobulungiswa kanye nobuqotho.
Amakholo kanye nezinhlangano zenkolo zihlanganyele eDurban ICC emgubhweni wokuqala impelasonto yephasika. Kwabaninga kulona nje iholide kodwa isikhathi sokubukisisa kabanzi izinkinga nezimo abantu abaphila ngaphansi kwazo. Umfundisi nonguprofessor uAlan Bosak ubephethe inkonzo. Uzwakalise ukukhathazeka ngenkohlakalo kuhulumeni athi ithengisa ngabampofu abaqhubekayo nokuthwala kanzima becindezelekile.
We see our people suffering. We see what this corruption is doing to our country. Our people do not deserve this. But are we watching or are we rising up? Whose side are we on? Whose side are we on?
Abaholi bamabandla, intsha, kanye nabaholi bamaqembu ezombusazwe bathwale isiphambano kuyiwa ehholo ledolobha. Umgubho walonyaka ubunesisindo njengoba iDennis Halley Council of Churches ibigubha iminyaka engu-50 yasekwa umbishop omkhulu uDennis Halley ngawo-1970s. Lesigungu samabandla sisebenzisa isikhathi sephasika ukuhambisa umlayezo wokulwela ubulungiswa.
I-Good Friday ithi kuko konke okubuhlungu okuwusizo okusiphatha kambi likhona ikusasa. Ikhona impumelelo. Funeka sihlale okholweni, funeka simethembe uNkulunkulu.
Londi Khatebe, SABC News, eThekwini.
Umbhishobhi waseGrace Bible Church uMusa Sono unxusa amabandla kulo lonke laseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi abambisane ukuze kubhekwane nezinsolelo ezikhungethe iNingizimu Afrika. Usho lokhu enkonzweni yePhasika ebibanjelwe enkundleni yezemidlalo eOrlando Amstel Arena eSoweto.
Bangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-30 abantu abebebuthene enkundleni yezemidlalo Orlando Amstel Arena ukuzokhulekela obunye nezinselelo ezibhekene nezwe nabaholi bezwe babekwe emkhulekweni njengoba kusondela nokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo.
I feel like when you pray together it gives you hope and it gives you faith. So as Christians we will be able, not even just Christians, anybody, it will just give you the hope that there is a better tomorrow, there is a brighter tomorrow.
Andla iGrace Bible Church ukhuthaza abaholi bezenkolo ngokuthi beseke umphakathi obhekene neziwombe ezinzima.
You know, in a time when so many people feel unaccepted, unloved, they feel like God is far from them. And we're going to talk about that and just share with them. And us being here in these open skies with all the people celebrating, we want to bring that love of Christ to the people of our land.
We are praying that God may help us to have a better messaging in our own families, in our own society, creating a culture of dealing with lawlessness.
Njengoba iningi labantu baseNingizimu Afrika bebebuthene ezinkonzweni ezehlukene zePhasika, banethemba lokuthi ukuhlanganyela kwabo ngalolu suku kungaletha izinguquko ezinhle ngesimo sezwe.
Njengoba isabambene ngeyihluthu phakathi kweMelika neIran, inxusa ilaseChina kuleli uPeng uthi kusenethuba lokuthi iqale ingxoxo zokuxazulula ukungaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwalamazwe omabili, egcizelela ngelokuthi ukuhlala phansi kubhungwe iyona ndlela yokuqhamuka nesixazululo.
Start peace and talk as soon as possible. The sovereignty, territory integration, national independence, and the security of Iran and the Gulf states must be effectively safeguarded. As we have clearly stated, dialogue and diplomacy is the only viable option to resolve conflicts. All relevant parties must make a commitment to resolve disputes through peaceful means, and must refrain from the use of threat or threat of use of force during the period of peace talks.
Izakhamuzi zasemjondolo eSolomia Park ekuruleni zithi ikhathazeke kakhulu ngokumbeqolo kwentengo yoparafin obizwa u11.67 ilitha njengoba ithembele kona ekwenzeni izinto eziningi.
Muzi eziningi zalapha zithi zithembele kuparafin ukupheka ukukhanyisa kanye nokunye zithi ukwenyuka kwentengo yawo kuzifake ngaphansi kwencindezi zibe zivele zidonsa kanzima.
Khona ukulayita ngendlela bengilayita ngayo isibane kufanele ndiyafule ixesha lokuthi isibane disicime ngalandlela bengasicime ngayo uqala ngoku ndehlise mhlawumbe uzosicima ngo8 sendiyalala.
Ugugu Deyi oneminyaka engama-65 ubudala uthi yena nomndeni wakhe bathembele emalini yakhe empesheni. Uthi njengamanje kuzoba nzima kakhulu ngoba kuzofanele acabange kaningi ukuthi athenge ukudla noma uparafin.
Ngizizwa kanzima ngoba kukho umuntu osebenzayo. Yimje manje abanje bangizothenga ilitha usuku nosuku kunzima kakhulu. Kuyila akekho umuntu engizomcela ukuthi manje awuncede nalo kunzima.
It has a myriad of uses that enables people to have money in their pockets to be able to participate in the economy and to be able to feed themselves, clothe themselves, fuel themselves, and be productive in the economic system.
Muzi zithi sezikhethe ukubasa izinkuni ukonga imali.
Sisathi qoyitolo uma besibuya sizokuphathela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu. Zonke sibeka lapha siphathele zona namuhla. Kusasa bakhona oza kwethu neindaba ngoluntu lwesiXhosa kanti thina sophinde sibe nawe ngesonto kusihlwa. Usale kahle.